Hello everyone, newborn investor here and welcome to another video. This week we are back with an IPO stock from the cybersecurity space and it's SentinelOne. With next generation endpoint and server protection technologies, California-based SentinelOne has filed for a potential IPO. With growing revenues and cutting-edge technologies, can SentinelOne really beat the competition and thrive? In today's video, we are going to talk about it and many more, so make sure to stick around as we're starting right now. Founded in 2013, SentinelOne offers AI-powered extended detection and response, or XDR, a platform that instantly defends against cyberattacks. The company provides endpoint and workload security software and services to organizations worldwide. SentinelOne's XDR platform ingests, correlates, and queries petabytes of structured and unstructured data, creating a dynamic representation of data across an organization. This structured data is consumed by AI models, making them highly accurate, actionable, and autonomous. The platform's static AI models predict file-based attacks of all types with extreme precision, and its behavioral AI model maps, monitors, and links all behaviors on the endpoint to create rich, contextual narratives called storylines. These high-fidelity storylines are continuously evaluated by the behavioral AI model. When an activity is deemed a threat, the platform autonomously takes action to kill the attack, and because storylines contain a complete record of unauthorized changes made during an attack, the platform is capable of remediating or reverting any changes. To go back in time on an endpoint is unique, and it's the ultimate safety net providing autonomous cybersecurity. SentinelOne brings in customers through direct sales and marketing efforts as well as through a variety of channel partners. As of April 2021, SentinelOne had more than 4,700 customers, while for the same period last year, total customers was around 2,700. Total customers that generated annualized recurring revenue of $100,000 more than doubled from 104 in 2020 to 219 in 2021. This represents strong customer onboarding and retention growth. SentinelOne is looking to raise around $928 million, offering 32 million shares, valuing the company around $7.3 billion. The expected IPO price range is between $26 and $29, and the stock is expected to list on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol S. SentinelOne's total addressable market is expected to exceed $300 billion by 2027. Increasing demand to transition to cloud would be the key driver for this growth. However, the company operates in a highly competitive market. Major competition includes CrowdStrike, VMware, McAfee, Symantec, to name a few. Sentinel's latest financial results were a mixed one. The company reported strong revenue growth with revenues accelerating in the first quarter of 2021. In fact, that's the only positive line item that I could see on the financials. Gross profit improved, but the gross margin was on the decline. Operating losses increased to around $115.5 million for the fiscal year ending in Jan 2021 compared to a loss of $74.98 million for the same period last year. As of April 2021, the company had $362.2 million in cash and $244.7 million in total liabilities. Majority of SentinelOne's revenue comes from subscriptions, and onboarding more customers and retaining existing customers would be pivotal to SentinelOne's overall profitability. So what's my take on the IPO? With no guidance to profitability in the near future, I may watch the IPO go by or may take some swing trading positions considering the opening day price action. Although the company posted impressive revenue growth, I may not be looking at this company for the long term. The main risk that I see is competition and the capital-intensive nature of the business. However, considering the IPO price of $26 to $29, the company is valued fairly, especially when compared to CrowdStrike's valuation. If you're ready to bet on future growth and profitability, I think Sentinel's IPO presents an opportunity with calculated risk. Now, I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about Sentinel's growth prospects? Leave a comment below with your answer and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Also, if you like this video and found it valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate your support. So until you hear from me again, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.